Divide 983 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 8 and it is 48. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 3 and it is 33. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 983 divided by 5 is 196 decimal 6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.